Smartwatches are expensive. I mean, think about it. You've already paid a lot for your phone, and then you're expected to watch. The wire has to come out of the left side, or else it's not gonna connect properly. Hopefully you won't have to charge it very often if you really need to spin. There is haptic feedback when I scroll through this list, and it feel very good. It feels very cheap, and there's also like kind of a specific app that you want to use. Like I like using, say, Strava. You are stuck with whatever CMF gives you. Any sort of motion tracking that I've done on smartwatches in the past in terms of like working out, it's cheaper than other major brands, and it makes me wonder why these other brands aren't even trying to make something good at this price point.
Smartwatches are expensive. I mean, think about it. You've already paid a lot for your phone, and then you're expected to spend hundreds more to get a smartwatch where half of the functions are still tied to that phone. It's kind of ridiculous. Smartwatches are expensive.